Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make roller in SolidWorks 2025. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New and select Part and select OK. Now you can select your plane. Which plane do you want to work? Now I am going to select right plane and sketch. Now draw the line from origin. Now go to right button, click and select. Now go to Smart Dimension and give this line value 532. And now go to again line and draw to origin, horizontal and vertical and horizontal and vertical, horizontal. Just move here. Okay. Now go to Smart Dimension and give the value this line dimension 23 and this line below 44 and this line distance 31. Now this line below 75. Okay. Now go to move here. Now this line and this line distance 46. Okay. Now this line below 22. Okay. Now here draw the angle line and give the horizontal angle and horizontal. Okay. Now go to Smart Dimension. This line and this line degree 115 and this line distance 56 and this line dimension 127. Okay. Now go to this point, control this point horizontal and this point, control this point horizontal. This line control this line equal. Okay. Now go to again draw the degree line and horizontal and again degree line and horizontal and vertical and horizontal, vertical, horizontal and vertical. Make here arc, horizontal line draw, just connect this line, this point. Now go to again Smart Dimension, this line and this line degree 112 and this line dimension 46. Now this line below 16 and this line below 23 and this line below 32 and this line below 27. Okay. Now go to select This point control this point horizontal, and this line control this line equal. Okay, just move it. Now you just delete perpendicular sign. This point control this point horizontal, and this line control this line equal. Okay, now this point control this point horizontal, and this point control this point horizontal. Horizontal, or you can give here value 46. 46 you can horizontal. Okay, now go to here, this point control this point horizontal, and this point control this point horizontal. Okay, now go to isometric view. Now here select feature and revolve. Okay, now go to top plane. Now go to reference geometry and select plane. Now here select plane. Now I am going to below here 20, 22. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the hair midline. Select hair midline, or you can here use slot, straight slot, no problem. Now give the value here 5, and this line below 34. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select feature and extrude cut. Now go to direction change. Okay. Now you can here edit. Now select here 21.5. Okay. Now go to hide this plane. Now go to circular pattern. Now here select this is. Now go to and here feature and face select. Now go to card select. Now give the value as you wish. Now I am going to 10, 10, or now here 8 or 7, 7. Okay, 7 is the bar. Now go to isometric view. Now I am going to select chamfer tools. Now I am going to here chamfer here 2 or 5. Now go to this is chamfer. Okay. Two face chamfer. Now you can I am going to sketch check. Now just I am going to here this fillet check 4. Okay. Now go to fillet. Now here select fillet 4, 4 or 2 as you wish. Now I am going to just check. Check here. Check. Now you can here use fillet something. Now I am going to value change. Now select here. Now you can select here this face, both system. Now here select this face. Now here give the value change to okay. 2 or 4 you can any fillet use. Now again edit. Now I am going to here select 4 or 3 as you wish. Now I am going to below 3. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to here select plain white. Now here select shaded. Okay. Now go to metal use appearance metal. Now I am going to select lead cast lead as you wish. Okay. Okay. Now go to again isometric view. Now our job is complete. Thank you all everyone share and like. If have any ask you can write comment box. You can contact us our WhatsApp number 01916553827. You can contact anytime. If you want to learn SolidWorks, AutoCAD and MasterCam and CNC, you can contact us. You can join our online class or offline class. You can join both class. You can join Friday only class. Thank you all.